Hello stars! Today's tutorial is on how to make caramel sauce. It's quite easy, but of course a lot of people have no idea how this is made. So I am here to show you the easy steps to make a caramel sauce. Of course, first we need our pot on a stove, and then we're adding our water and sugar into it. So what we need here is our sugar to completely melt, and we want it to turn into a brown sugar-ish water. That is our aim over here. And of course, you need to keep stirring this. And if this is your first time on my channel, please do not leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate that if you do. And also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. At this point, the sugar is completely brown. When you allow it to get darker than this, then it means it's gonna get burnt. So you need to start to put your ingredients for the sauce. And then the first thing to put over there is your butter. Let it melt into your sauce. And then you proceed to add your salt also. And then give this a quick stir. Like I said, guys, there's no need of you leaving this pot. You have to stay right there next to it. Right there next to it. At this point, I felt my caramel sauce was getting a little bit burnt, so I had to switch off the stove and then switch it back on to add my milk. At this point, we have added all our ingredients that is needed for the caramel sauce, so we just need this to get a little bit thicker. And of course, at this point, your sauce will not get more brown and your sugar is not gonna burn. So anything burning here would be your sauce and not your sugar. So yep, let it cook for at least 1 minute to make it a little bit thicker. Of course, we are not getting a very thick caramel right now because it's hot. So once it's cooled down, it's gonna be thicker. So keep that in mind. And of course, guys, you can always check down below in the description box for written recipe and tips on how to bake. At this point, our caramel sauce is ready and you need to transfer it to a bowl and let it cool before use. So, remember when I said it's easy? Yep, it's actually easy and it is done. We have our caramel sauce ready to be used. So guys, do not forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, stars.